YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. I go by the name of Kia. Hopefully you see what you enjoy and enjoy what you see, baby. If you are a returning subscriber, what's good, baby? You good? Because I'm good, period. So guys, today's video is all about vlogging. Alright, I'm gonna get everything from my room. It's a part 2 of the vlog that I said I will do with y'all. You know, remember that video? Yeah, that video. So I'm gonna buy stuff for my room. We're gonna decorate the room together. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen in this vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and to subscribe. And the most importantly, to enjoy what I'm gonna put together for you guys. Yeah, if this quality is not giving, I'm sorry, it's a selfie. I want to see you guys, I want to communicate with you guys. All right. But yeah, so now we are going to Clicks, gonna buy some toiletries, and then we're gonna look for some stuff for the bed, and but yeah, this room is gonna be transformed. We're doing it together we're doing it, period. You get the vibe. So yeah, let's go guys, let's go. We are off now. We're going, I'm gonna grab my mask. We're going to the shop, and that's okay. Let's go guys. So here's my fridge. This is my fridge, y'all. Let's unbox it together. All right guys, let's go. This is me being an adult since I am now 20. This is my 20 years. 2 decades on this road. Responsibilities about my own fridge. Speaking of responsibilities, I don't know what shit must happen now. This is my baby, guys. Guys, for the big review. Y'all.
This is so nice. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh god, they don't make them like this no more. Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Amen.
Amen.
Period. It's gonna be a very tough day. This is okay, so guys, I am back from the deck, whatever you call it, Marabasta. So I went there and I got my new friend. Tabi saying literally Wang Tabisa. This is my power for the phone, and yeah, and then right now
I keep telling you you're shooting your button.
and then right now we're going to the mall. We're going to buy some few stuff for the room. I'm also kaparantire to buy stuff that she needs for her room, and then I'm gonna go with Sam and CK, and then you guys will see us there. Yeah.
This girl, she's so beautiful. Soft lips,
y'all. This is Baby. That's on period.
We are cheating, by the way, because we go to gym.
Y'all.
Now we are cheating.
It's our cheat day. Never again.
And then we're gonna burn them calories tomorrow.
Yeah, we're gonna strive with them calories. It's bad. Soft lips of nature. Guys, we're back. This is what I got. I'm gonna do a haul with y'all and then we're gonna pack, and yeah, you know who that is. Bye right now.
Please subscribe, like the video, baby,
And comment
down
below.
Of course.
You know, let me take this off. I'm back in this, and I got aloes and veggies. I got stuff from Clicks, and I went to buy some winter wear from Mr. Price. But yeah, right now let's pack this beautiful fridge and have fun with it. Yeah, I'm thinking of prepping my pineapples and everything, so you guys want to see me do that. So yeah, let's go. This girl, she's so beautiful. Soft lips of an angel. Oh damn, she really melts my heart. This girl, she's so beautiful. Soft lips of an angel. Let me wear my glasses because so got a couple of things from Clicks because the volume is too high, guys. It's too high. I'm feeling natural. So I got like sanitary pads, a waist, cause wow. I also got a shower gel. It smells so good, y'all. It smells like, it's not coconut, but it smells like, I don't know how it smells like, but it smells good. It was on sale, I believe. And I bought this for my room. Guys, I don't even know how it smells. I just bought it. Oh, it smells so good. No, my room is gonna smell good. And then I got a body spray for that because gym, guys, you know. And then I got 2 roll-ons again from Dove, and then I got my body spray. Yeah, and that's what I got from Clicks. And then I went to Mr. Price because it's cold. I had to like grab something, so but first I got myself a bonnet because it's 50 rand, and let's see how it looks. Let me unpack with you guys. It's not bad. No, the color is not bad though. I'm gonna look for like gonna look for PJs also. I need PJs because it's starting to get cold, so I need that. Yeah, this is what I got from Mr. Price. A bonnet. So I got this top bra. I don't know, like I felt it, like I felt the color. The color is giving me chilling vibes. Yeah, I like the fabric. It's very thick, guys. I can't even see y'all. So this is what I got. This is what I got. And I got this, guys, sweater. I love it so much, you guys. It is so gorgeous. I like the blue. I'm feeling the blue lately. I took the bigger size. It's a double XL. And yeah, I believe it was worth it because it's oversized. And I got it in a larger size. And then I got these cute pants. right? I got these cute pants. They are wide at the bottom, very crazy. It is $150, and I got sweatpants. Bruh, I'm telling you, winter's around the corner. It's even in. We're like in autumn right now, right? Yeah. And then I got a boxy shirt. I don't know, I just liked it. Yeah. And that's that what I got at Miss. So yeah. Tomorrow we're going to do grocery shopping, and then yeah, then that's that. My vlog will end there, and then I'll do a part 3 for decorating and getting the rest of the stuff that I need. And yeah, that's what's happening right now. Yeah, I feel like this vlog is wholesome and all of that. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so welcome back. Today it is day 2. It's Good Friday, you know the vibes. So I just came back from buying some groceries. We'll do a haul on that, and then we're gonna go to yoga together, but I'm not gonna join the session because the girl is under the weather. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna eat breakfast. Trust me, it's not even breakfast, but yeah, I'm gonna eat and then go to yoga session. You guys are coming with me, and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm having. Okay, so I'm having chicken biryani with a salad and a gravy. Let me open y'all. That's the gravy. So that's what I'm having. So yeah, let's got all bran flakes because yeah, you know the vibes. I need that for my journey of weight loss. I don't need a lot of like unhealthy things. So yeah, and then I got jumbo oats. It was a special for 23 rand. And then I got 2 of cool biscuit beans. I got 2 of these cool beans. You know the vibe, the usual. This is the OG for a student. Like, if you don't have this in your pantry, then clearly. But yeah, this is what I have. I bought 2 of these. That's 15 each. So yeah, and then I got no sugar, no salt, peanut butter, because apparently that's what we need. But I'm not gonna buy a very organic one, so I just chose this one. Yum yum is the way. And then I got brown rice, speckled brown rice. Listen, I'm killing it. I'm killing it with this weight loss journey, bro. Like, I don't want mistakes. I know you guys just saw me eat biryani, but don't come at me. I'm starting. Then I got almazi for days where I don't feel like eating healthy, you know, like sometimes it's, I don't know, you know, and it'll be my sishelo, you know the vibes. And then I got rama 3, the smallest one. I got these mini toilet rolls, and I got 2 of these juices. I just opened this pack, but I got 2 of these. I got snack time crackers. And yeah, that's me right now with my weight loss journey. Like, I'm cruising nice and fine and sweet. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I wanna join yoga today, but I can't because I have a very heavy flow. So yeah. I'm back at press. I am so sick, y'all. My back is hurting, and I'm back from everything, the errands. So I got a few things from Pick n Pay and Mr. Price Home, but like I just already packed them, so I don't think I'll do that. But I'll show y'all what I had bought. And sorry I've been dark. And I'll show you guys what is what. All right, so let me eat my food from the morning, And yeah, see you guys later. Not later like later, but I'll see you guys like Orcha and all of that. Okay, peace out. Oh, I'm so tired, but yeah, so Mr. Barrett's home and I got a new baby. I got this. It is a inner. Yeah, it is an inner, isn't it? Yeah, it is an inner. Because where I live is very cold, I really need this. So I got one, and yeah, it was actually not bad. It was the same as where I asked that lady how much her thing is. Her inner is, it was 150. There's only 10 rands different. This one was 160. So that's what I got. Also got a frame. I don't know why I got this, but it was 20 rand. I don't know why I got it, but I think I'm gonna put my picture, or I'm gonna print a picture in, you know, or a quote or whatever, and put it in here. Y'all will see it when I decorate my table. And I got a glass. Let me show y'all my glass. Guys, listen. Coming to race is not easy. Going to varsity, especially school residents that don't have fully furnished like where I was last year. It was fully furnished, everything was just there for us, and now it's like nothing is here for us, so I need to start from scratch. And yeah, the money that we get, it's not even enough, you know, like varsity is not easy. So yeah, whoever told you that varsity is easy, it's very tough, man, very tough. So I got this beautiful glass. It's a stemless wine glass. It was 50 rands. Really, it's not that bad. So I got this. It's giving. I like it. It's giving. Then I got this. Then I got a basket. So that's what I got. I don't know what this is, but this is what I got, because having clothes in a bag, it's a bit ghetto, you know. So having this is a bit convenient, and I like the color because it's also giving the setting of my room, and it's gonna give my room a pling, not a pling, but a bling or a beautiful side to it, and a pop, so they say. So yeah, that's what I got from Mr. Price. And then from Pick n Pay, I just got a few grocery items that I needed. And yeah, this is me, y'all. This is me. So yeah, this is me right now. I just wanted to say thank you so much for making it till the end of this vlog. I really do appreciate you. And if you are in varsity, I just wish you all the best towards this school year, because it's very tough, man. It's very tough. But the only person who can make things less tough for us, it's only Jesus Christ, you know. But yeah, just wish you all the best. And if you're applying, good luck, you know. Congratulations, and stick to the course that you really like, because we don't want to boo, I never expected it, you know what I mean? We don't want that. So yeah, and yeah, now it's the end of my vlog. I'm ending it off here. Hope you guys are doing good, really. If you're not doing good, I wish you all the best, like the best peace, and continue to read the word of God, continue to pray, and let's push, man, you know, let's push us, push any. And I hope you'll be okay. I hope you'll be good. And to those who are good, I'm grateful that you are good. And as human beings, please, let's be nice to each other and kind to each other, because we don't know what the next person is going through, you know. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. I just hope that you enjoyed this vlog if you're new here. And yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and to subscribe. My energy is a bit down because I'm tired, y'all. I'm so sorry if it's very down. But please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and to share. Alright, and I hope that you're good. Remember that God loves you. I love you too. And Azisheni, Hararatani. You know what I mean? You get the vibes. You get the vibes of it. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.